rev up your engines. Happy holidays! Today is a special Mechanic Monday where I'm showing you holiday gifts you can get for someone you love. Now the first is the solar flash lighting kit. You can put on the hubs of the wheels. It even comes with a little remote. You can change them where you go. And the cool thing is, they have little solar panels inside, so they recharge themselves when you're driving out in the sun. They're easy to install. They just have little snaps inside and various adapters with the kit, and they just go inside the hub. And since they're solar powered, you don't have to keep buying batteries for the stupid things. That's a big advantage in my book. Now the next gift is this Vadoma portable power generator. Now the only thing I got against this power generator is it's really not a power generator. It doesn't generate power, but it gives you power in any situation that you need it. It's actually a gigantic battery and transformer system. It has a tremendous amount of power, 250 watts. And the real advantage of this unit is it supplies all kinds of power. You can see it's got a regular plug here. It does 120 volts, but it also does 9 to 12 volts in the little holes here. And it's got the USB 5 volt ports. So this thing puts out a lot of power for a lot of different devices. Check this out. I plugged my DeWalt 120 volt drill into it and it makes a great backup power system. It's got ultra pure sine waves. So if you know anything about electronics, say I'm going to reprogram the computer on a car, you can't use a battery charger to keep the battery up. It might take an hour or longer. You have to use something that has pure sine waves like this, so the power is pure and it doesn't mess with any computer circuits. So of course this thing's great for recharging your cell phone. It's great for running a laptop, any kind of electronic things that have computers in them. This is totally safe and it's not going to do any damage. Plus it's solar rechargeable. If you're taking this thing camping or whatever, you can put a solar panel, it plugs right in the back here, it'll recharge it. So if you're in the middle of nowhere, you can use the sun to power your devices and store it in here for night. And you can run things a long time when this is full. It's got a 67,500 milliamp battery built inside. Now the next gift is this Foxwell OB2 scan tool. Realize you might get somebody a shirt or shoes or a pair of pants. How do you know if they're going to fit? Well, the scan tool fits every car made from 1996 to the present day. So you got pretty good odds it's going to work on your loved one's vehicle. It's actually a pretty good scan tool. Does all kinds of stuff. Data, tells you if your car is going to pass the emissions, can erase codes, can even look up codes. Hey, they made these things smaller and smaller, but they do more and more, and everybody really needs a scan tool these days, even if you don't fix your own car. You can plug one of these in, check engine lights on, you can see what the code or codes are. Then even if you don't fix it yourself, you could say, oh, my car's got this code, and it tells you what it means, and say, I need that fixed. And guess what? After they fix your car, you still got the scan tool. All you gotta do is plug it in, drive it around, and you can see if the codes come back. If it does, they didn't fix it right, then take it back and make them fix it for free. Because it doesn't matter if somebody went in the dash and then just took the bulb out of the check engine light so the light's not anymore. This doesn't need the bulb, this reads them. And if they did that, you can say you didn't fix it. It's a really nice thing to have. Now the next gift is these Hami door and panel taking apart tools. You get a whole set that fit just about anywhere, even this funky looking one. Realize if you're going to be taking door panels apart or body panels, you can't beat these nice stainless steel slim tools for getting inside and forcing pieces off without breaking anything. And yeah, you can get really cheap ones that are 100% plastic, but guess what? The plastic often snaps on them. I've tried a bunch of those out, and unless they were real thick, they'd break. And of course, the thing is, the tools have to be relatively slim to get behind the door panels to pop them out. So it kind of defeats the purpose having a thick plastic thing instead of a very thin stainless steel one. They get in tiny spaces, they get in a little bit bigger spaces. They're really handy. I wish I'd gotten a set years ago instead of trying a screwdriver and stramming it in and trying to pop stuff off and then breaking things. These, hey, they fit right into where the fastener is. All the force pops them out without breaking either the expensive panel or the little stupid plastic fasteners that hold it in place. And it's a cool set, hey. It's going to do all the different cars. got all the different sizes. It's a really handy thing. If you get this for somebody who works on their own car, they're really gonna thank you. Now, the last possible Christmas gift is this Odoo cordless vacuum cleaner for your car. If you're sick of working on your car, trying to clean it, and there's cords all over the place, hey, this cordless one works pretty good. It's got a great filter inside, so when it cleans everything up, especially road dust, doesn't blow out the back and get all over the place. It has all these cute attachments, little brush, tiny little suction area, so you can reach into all those crevices, and maybe you can get that quarter that's been rolling between your seat and the side for years, driving you nuts every time you corner. And you can go for 2 for 1 here. If you forget to recharge it, hey, it will run off of this Vadoma charger. It's got the 12-volt little plug here, so you can just plug it right in there, and you can carry this around while you're vacuuming if you didn't have time to wait for it to recharge. You want to keep this baby in the trunk, because hey, I had a sick kid in the back seat, and man, when I opened the trunk and pulled this out, that sucked all the stuff out real fast before it soaked in and left that horrible smell for months on end. That's the advantage of a cordless vac. Leave it in the trunk. When you need it in an emergency, there it is. Now, since this is a special Christmas edition, Mechanic Monday, I'm giving this stuff away. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and the winners will be chosen randomly by computer to give somebody a Merry Christmas gift. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.